Hello and welcome back to Canon Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. And we did a bunch of work to this machine, and now let's go ahead and test it. Doing the one-hand pull. See, we get a nice shot of espresso, a good amount of crema. It's extra hard to get good crema with these two position switches. Let's go ahead and just test the steam quick. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.